once ate a whole box of Girl Scout cookies. Samoas, they're really good.
When Daddy takes a nap, I will eat as much candy as I can.
Once I was watching a movie, and at the end, I realized I ate a whole pint of ice cream.
I love hot Cheetos.
I love bacon.
I love hot Cheetos.
I once ate 50 pieces of bacon in a single day.
I'm obsessed with hot Cheetos. I can't stop eating hot Cheetos. Help me.
I'm excited to introduce you to the Kitchen Safe, a fun and easy way to control temptation. The Kitchen Safe is a time lock container that puts you in control. Let me show you how it works. First, place an item in the container. Next, rotate the dial to set the timer. And finally, press the dial to activate the lock. Once the container is locked, it cannot be opened until the timer reaches 0. It's that easy. I came up with the idea of the Kitchen Safe while completing my graduate studies. I was looking for something fun and easy to use and to help me with my food cravings, lose a little weight, and live a healthier lifestyle, all while still being able to enjoy the occasional snack. To design a product that lives up to the highest standards, I worked with Ryan Sang, an engineer and classmate I met while studying at MIT.
The Kitchen Safe is a time lock container that puts you in charge. You put an item in the container and set the timer. Once the timer is set and the button is pressed, the container locks and cannot be opened until the timer reaches 0. It is a simple concept that produces powerful results. The goal when designing the Kitchen Safe is to create a high-quality product that works well, looks good, and is fun to use. The product has a large, clear display, a smooth dial, sturdy lock, and a clean look that compares to the highest quality containers available in stores. The design process took over a year. We investigated many options, and with each prototype we refined the design until we ended with a great working product. The container base is made from 4mm thick acrylic for durability and a clean look. The LCD display was custom developed to incorporate large, high contrast characters for easy viewing. The dial was specifically selected for its smooth action. Time can be set for as short as 1 minute or as long as 10 days. The electronic locking mechanism was designed to ensure a strong seal. We have tested the Kitchen Safe and we are confident that it is a great product.
There you have it, the Kitchen Safe. We have worked hard to develop a great product and have lined up a factory for production.
And this is where we need your help. By ordering a Kitchen Safe and spreading the words to your friends, you can help us turn what was just an idea into a product that thousands of people can use and enjoy.
From all of us at the Kitchen Safe,
we thank you.
Hey Kickstarters, I'm Boaz.
And I'm Gal, and we're here to show you something called STICKO. STICKO is a tiny sticky phone stand. It's made out of 4 suction cups, 2 on each side, and a flexible connector that links between them. STICKO attaches to any smooth surface. Here are some of the uses we came up with. Attach your phone to the car window while driving to work.
With your phone stuck to the window, you could take pictures, video, and even FaceTime while driving.
Showering? You don't want to be caught bending over to grab your shampoo bottle from the floor. Attach it to the shower wall with STICKO. Going on a road trip? Attach your phone to your car window and time-lapse your drive. Attach your phone to its charger. Hang your kitchen towels in your kitchen using STICKO. Why don't we just go back to the day that the idea was born? You were in this car driving.
And I got an important phone call.
I called.
As I was looking for a place to put my phone, the phone slipped.
Whoa! Wait, we don't have to get into an accident again. Just tell them the idea. STICKO was born when we realized there was no easy way of attaching your phone to your car so that it will be easy to use while driving.
Hey, Alon.
All of the market solutions are bulky and not compact. We wanted something that was small, easy, fast, and can be taken with you wherever you go. We tested different materials in order to get STICKO to look good, grip the strongest, and stick the longest. When attaching it to an item that's hanging, it can hold up to 2 kilograms. STICKO comes with an earphone jack and a lobster clamp, so you can keep it attached to your phone or to your keychain at all times. STICKO simplified our daily lives. Its possibilities are endless. So we need your support to reach our funding goal.
So you too can enjoy STICKO as soon as possible.
Breaking free now wherever we go.
Hey Kickstarters, my name is Ayhan.
And I'm Yannick.
We are all carrying our keys pretty much every day with us and use them several times a day.
So in a whole lifetime we are carrying them for about 70,687 kilometers and have them about 157,000 times in our hands.
So we thought it's definitely worth it to create something which allows you to carry your keys in a much more beautiful and also in a much more practical way.
That's why we created Wunderkey.
The perfect solution for your keys and at the same time a great everyday gadget. Wunderkey is an elegant and practical way to carry your keys. It pretty much works like a Swiss Army knife. Wunderkey is fully customizable. In the standard version it can take 1 to 4 keys. With our practical extension package it can even take upon 8, 12 or even more than 20 keys. We're really proud of our minimalistic and elegant design. The Wunderkey is very slim and it fits in every pocket. Your pockets will also thank you. You will love Wunderkey, especially when you go running, because there won't be any rattling keys. With our Schlüsselring, you can also attach your car keys to Wunderkey. Wunderkey can also be upgraded with several useful add-ons, like for example the pen drive. With this gadget, you can always carry your most important data with you.
Just like I'm shaking off my shoes, love every second of the summertime heat, yeah. I'm not just living, I'm alive, I'm not just breathing to survive. I see imagination twirled as I'm living in this world and with my eyes wide.
Another cool gadget is our bottle opener, which fits perfectly into our Wunderkey.
We feel alive.
With Wunderkey, you can carry your personal most important belongings with you, all assembled in one gadget. The assembling of Wunderkey is very easy. It takes less than a minute to put in your keys, and the only tool you need is a 1-cent coin. With Wunderkey, your keys will always be at the same position, so you can find the right key easily without the annoying searching. From the beginning of our project, we set the goal to create something amazing that you are proud to carry off and which makes your life a little bit better. Wunderkey is the most beautiful and practical way to carry your keys. It's an everyday gadget which you will love to carry. It took us 6 months to design the perfect Wunderkey and bring the first prototype to life. The Wunderkey is made of high quality anodized aluminium and stainless steel. It is produced and assembled in Germany. Hey Kickstarters, we made a first step and developed Wunderkey.
Now we need your help to take Wunderkey to the next level and bring it to life.
So please help us to accomplish our goal by checking the rewards below.
Thanks for watching.
something beautiful about a mechanical watch.
It's a simple, yet complex machine.
You won't see people wearing something on their wrist that looks like this, that shows time like this. XERIC is back with our second collection, the HALOGRAPH.
Kickstarter was the perfect place to launch the XERIScope a little over a year ago, and now we're back with the HALOGRAPH. We think this design perfects our vision for alternative timekeeping.
We're always trying to deconstruct traditional time displays.
The HALOGRAPH runs on kinetic energy that you create in your daily activity. It doesn't need batteries, it doesn't need updates. It's powered entirely by you. As you wear the HALOGRAPH, the motion of your wrist spins the rotor, storing enough energy for a 36-hour power reserve.
The downside to any smartwatch is the moment you put it on your wrist, it starts to die.
The HALOGRAPH is not an electronic gadget, it's a mechanical heirloom. XERIC is a launching pad for a desire to create really unusual watches. Really unique ways of telling time, but always being quite legible.
The HALOGRAPH is super easy to read. Just above the frame twin balance mechanism, the halo hands float over the arcs and encircle the time. The inner arcs display the hours. The outer arcs display the minutes. Here it reads 7:10. As your day progresses on, now it's 10:35.
What's cool about the HALOGRAPH is we designed a watch now to be more of an ellipse. We wanted the crystal to dome up and create kind of an orb.
A watch isn't just about telling time now, because you have a phone, or you have another device that will give you time. The watch is a new way of expressing yourself.
I love the fact that nobody else is going to have it. It's so unusual that you have to be adventurous to wear it.
I want to wear something on my wrist that's unusual, that's not the norm, that's something out there that people haven't seen.